Hi guys, today I'm going to try and pick this beautiful Kasp 19070. It is a beast of a lock, but it is only a 6-pin. It's key for it. Massive ball bearings, locking mechanism, massive shackle. I was going to pick it in the hand, but let's see if the vice holds it. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. Move the camera. Using top of the keyway. It's a nice medium hook. Pin 1's binding. A little click out of 1. Recock. Not picked it in the vice yet. It's quite weird. I'll click out of 1. There's a little click out of 1. Can't rotate them. Full set off pin 3. Pin 6. Pin 2. Just going through them, find a counter rotation. Pin 5. Pin 3. I'll click out pin 1 again. Pin 2's binding. And there you go, I've got an open. Not that hard, really. Lock it up and lock it again. I've not actually gutted this one yet. It feels like 5 spools and a serrated. Long screw. You might need to take the key out. Put that down. Very oily, greasy. Oh, got a pin fall out there. Don't know what that was for. I think it was in there somewhere. Now I can't unlock it. Let's try that pin. It is sprung loaded. let the spring out. Now the pin now, key doesn't work. Let's try this one. No, for some reason the key's not working now. I shouldn't have locked it up. I really don't know what that pin's for. Oh. Should go all the way in. Right, so now I don't have to push the key all the way in. Get this clip off. Oh, it's locked. Follower. Right size. Looks about right. Key pins at the top. Standard key pin. Standard. Standard. Let me just try and get this in frame. Standard. Standard. And a standard. Nothing special on the core. No under counter milling. So I need to know what that pin's for. It's spring loaded. I'd like to know. If anybody knows, it'd be big help. I'll take them out backwards. Tweezers. Got a spool. Another spool. Another spool. Another spool. Another spool, and I think this is a serrated. Yeah, I'm not taking the springs out, but they're all there. Just looks like a normal core. I might actually upgrade this because it was pretty damn easy to get into. Okay, these are the pins. All nice little tapered one there. And tapered. Serrated, sorry. Make a little crunch on the first one. We've got 5 spools. Massive key pins. Anyway, that was the Kasp 19070. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.